All right, guys. 05 Dodge Caravan 3.3 liter. We're gonna change this pipe. A lot of antifreeze inside. I'm gonna end up removing this pipe right here and let the antifreeze just drip down here. So you're gonna have this cover on the way. So all you do is yank on this clip here, and I got a strap tie over there. So this might bother me when this thing is dripping, but it's fine. Anyways, let's get this job started. So when I take off this pipe, this clamp's gotta come off, the pipe's gotta come off, antifreeze will be drained out. This is gonna come off, this is gonna come off, this pipe's gonna come out. And there's no pipe on the opposite side. Usually some of these have a pipe on the other side too, but this one don't. Anyways, it's only 2 bolts. Okay, I went and got me a 13 millimeter. Oh, let me see if I can loosen this little guy right here. Oh, going the wrong way. So I'm gonna have to get a socket anyway because this is not gonna reach over there. But it's a 13 millimeter as well. So that's loose. Okay. So I'm gonna move on to draining this baby. So I'm gonna remove this clamp here. Okay, so there's a clamp here. I'm gonna take this clamp. Remember where the clamp goes, the pipe's gonna have marking, so you're gonna have to put it back in the same spot even though I'm turning it this way, because it will leak if you don't put it back on the same spot. And what I mean by that is, see the grooves that I built? Make sure it goes there. Anyways, this baby should be able to come out. Sometimes you gotta poke it to take it off. And by poking, I don't mean you poke the pipe. I'm talking about internally here, because it has been in there for so long that it has created grip for itself. So this is how this baby's coming down. So I'm gonna get all the antifreeze out, and you'll notice the top don't want to come out because it has a grip there. Let's break that grip loose. There you go. Okay, and you don't want to take the pipe. Oh, not like that. You don't want to do that. See what I did here like an idiot? Oh my God. That's what you call an idiot. Okay, it's fine. Oh, fuck me. Ah, shit, didn't expect that to happen. Got me all over. All right, so I got this one loose. This baby is a 13 millimeter down here. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me bring my bucket over. Ah, come on, little guy. I'm on the floor here because I got the engine loose. Okay. So this little pipe, you just wiggle, waggle, and it will come out. So you're gonna have more antifreeze in here. Not a lot, just a tiny amount, but we already made a big mess. So there it is. It got an O-ring right there. So make sure the new one has an O-ring. Make sure the surface is always clean in there. This is perfect. Anyways, let me get a new pipe. We're gonna replace this baby on this Dodge Caravan. Here's the new pipe. There's a part number here, Doorman. Notice this pipe doesn't have that extra pipe sticking out of here like this one right here. It has the extra pipe. If you got an oil cooler, I'm not sure, but here's the part number for that one. It has the extra bypass pipe here, but we don't need that. We need, this is the one we need. So this baby is gonna go into this. They got the O-ring right there. I would have put a little bit of lubrication, but I'm gonna put a little bit of greasing on it and I'll be right back. There you go, a little bit of greasing on this baby. I use a regular good old bearing grease, marine grease, whatever you want to use it. Anyways, working down here. So there's our old pipe, and remember that doesn't have that secondary pipe there. So this thing will just stick right in. Okay, let me get this freaking belt out of the way. The belt is like, I want to be the star of the video. Should have taken this off completely. There it is. So we're still working on the pump, waiting on the pump since we cracked one. So what you're gonna have to do here is kind of gonna have to wiggle waggle and get that in. So I'm gonna get that pipe in and then we'll put the bolt in. Got the pump on, everything is on, and this pipe right here, make sure you lock that up. Make sure that's in. Let me just loosen this up to get that in straight. And you do gotta check, make sure you put this clamp back where it originally came off, from this angle it came off from. So the pump is tight. The bolts on the pump, I put a pry bar here to tighten these up. Everything is done deal. I gotta get the belt on, put the cover on, put the clamp on, and put antifreeze on it, check for leaks. But that should be it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. See you guys on the next one.